Hello, in front of me I've got Vantrue N4 camera. In this video I'll show you how to change recording resolution. In the beginning let's go to menu. And go to record setup. Enter resolution. And now you can change resolution for all the cameras. Only front and cabin, front and rear, and only front. Enter it, and now select between wanted modes. Press OK button, and it's done. You can see that resolution has been changed. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.